The world should be designed not just for humans, but for all who share it. That's why in our lab, humans and animals come together to design technology that gives animals control over their environment.
So what? We collaborate with animals to design technology?
So what is the thinking behind this? Well, humans have developed technology that has given us huge advantage over other species. In fact, much of human technology has advanced human interests by making it increasingly easier for us to outcompete and exploit other animals. With the advent of computing, and especially with more recent developments such as the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, animals are being increasingly impacted by technologies whose design is still fundamentally human-centered. This is doing a lot of damage to animals and to the environment. In contrast, the growing field of animal-computer interaction, the field that I lead on at the Open University, focuses on the nexus between animals and computing technology from an animal-centered perspective. Our research program was set up in 2011 on a mission to advance the art and science of designing animal-centered interactive systems for a multi-species society. We set out to research the different kinds of interactions between animals and technology to design it for and with animals as legitimate stakeholders and design contributors. So, what are you making possible through ACI? As an example, we have recently commercialized the first product to result from our approach working with animals, which is distributed by Ravencourt for the UK market. Our Dogosophy button is a new dog-friendly wireless device specifically designed for their sensory, cognitive and physical characteristics. It allows dogs to easily control home appliances by switching them on and off with their nose or paw. Initially, we designed it to support assistance dogs in tasks like turning on lights, fans or kettles, but we want to empower all dogs, so we have made it available for purchase.
We at Dogs for Good have a mission to make everyday life possible by bringing dogs and people together, and this happens in many extraordinary ways. Our dogs today, Tommy, Toby and Twiggy, have thoroughly enjoyed their work using the Dogosophy button, a button designed for dogs, which means it's been very easy for them to use and work with that button.
So what else is your animal-computer interaction work making possible? Beyond projects like the Dogosophy button, we are interested in what animal-centered technology can do for other species too. For example, in collaboration with Parrot Kindergarten and Purdue University, we demonstrated Parrots' ability to engage in functional communication through speech-board interfaces. This research demonstrates digital technology's potential to offer parrots tools for expressing their needs so that they can be met. Considering animals' needs is even more important when animals' interactions with technology is not their choice, as with wearable devices fitted on them for research or husbandry purposes. So one of our projects involved observing cats wearing different commercial GPS trackers. Their behavior clearly showed poor wearability, even though these were marketed as cat-friendly. In contrast, the behavior of the same cats wearing a tracker that we had redesigned using the same electronic components but from the perspective of cat wearers, show significantly better wearability.
With medical detection dogs, we designed a technology which uses pressure and proximity sensors to record the interaction of cancer detection dogs with the biological samples they screen. We're using machine learning to analyze the data to better understand their response. This will inform the development of electronic devices that will make it possible to diagnose on a larger scale.
In collaboration with Care for the Rare and Four Paws, we've developed a whole interactive environment to enrich the lives of rescued tigers. The space provides visual, acoustic and scent signals to guide them along multiple possible journeys, reconfiguring itself in response to the tiger's choices.
If we design to give animals more control over their environments and lives, technology such as the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence can really help. And there is so much more we want to do Imagine ecologically and ethically responsible technology that redistributes control and benefits across all species and that views animals as a vital part of a sustainable future.